This message has been broadcast at the request of the local police department. A residential danger warning has occurred. Please listen carefully until further notice. A situation has been triggered. There is a mysterious man named Baldi. There have been concerns and reports of him being dangerous. For your safety, lock your door and close all windows. Stay calm at all times. Please do not panic or the situation will get worse. Good luck. This message has been transmitted at the request of the local police department. More updates of this situation is here. Citizens are able to describe how he looks. Baldi is begging to kill people with a ruler and chasing kids. The suspect appears in elementary school in a mysterious place. The area is unidentified, but please stand by for more updates. Please do not go outside, it's dangerous. The local police department recommends to stay indoors. Do not look at any windows, lock and close all windows and doors before the situation ends. Good luck, we'll give you more updates. This message has been broadcast at the request of your local police department. This is a describe of Baldi. His accurate name is Baldi Baltimore, aged 44, and he was last seen wearing a green t-shirt with blue sweater pants and brown boots. He approximately stands at 6'6" and 156 pounds. He has no hair features but one, red lips, and black eye pupils, and holds the educational 1-meter ruler. Anyways, good luck and we will give you more updates on the uncomfortable situation. This message has been broadcast at the request of your local police department. Baldi has been planting radiation smoke around the forest. I need your local area. Please stay in a room with no windows. Do not go outside, lock everything. Do not panic, stay calm. All you can do is huddle up like a rock. Anything else that you want to do, you won't survive unless you in a basement. If you have one, good luck and stay calm.